Hi everybody, thanks for watching. Today we're going to do an unboxing of this Brother laser printer. This is an MFC L2700 DW. It's an all-in-one multifunction center. It does wireless networking, wired networking. It's good for small and home offices and mobile device printing. It's got duplex printing, that's a two-sided printing, and you can do print, copy, scan, fax, and you can do, let's see, the scan can be color. And it has some pretty good capabilities. 2600 page high yield replacement cartridges are available, so you can get those probably at Sam's Club for about 50 bucks. It's a lot cheaper than toner ink, the ink cartridges. Pretty fast, 27 pages per minute for black and white, and the tray holds 250 sheets of paper. Up on top up here, when you want to do auto document feeder, it has a 35 page capacity, so if you're faxing a large document, you can just lay it on top and it'll feed up to 35 pages. So that's some of the capabilities. Let's unbox and see what comes with it. Price on this as of October 2017 is about $150. Pretty well protected there with the hard styrofoam little cutout there for the vacuum foil packed sealed toner cartridge, laser toner cartridge. Actually comes with a landline for faxing, that's good. Quick setup guide. Basic manuals. Looks like a disc for drivers if your computer actually has, CD-ROM. Keep pulling this thing out. What else we have? Now this is not a tiny piece, but I'll be honest, we had this exact same printer, no, I said printer, not all the other multifunction stuff, for about 2 years now. We love the printer. It's the Brother laser printer. Super capable, super reliable, pretty quick. We had another machine that had all the other all-in-one functions, but this is going to do it all now. So I'm going to put this on a tripod again, and we're going to open it up and take a look. Here it is in all its glory. It's not insubstantial. It's a fairly big machine, but it has to be to have all these capabilities. 250 ream paper tray down there. This should be where you put paper feed stuff. They'll lift this up for loading the paper. Let's see. They've got tape down over most of the surfaces. And see the copying surface and the scanning surface. Like other Brothers, I think the hood lifts up entirely to expose the printer cartridge. Let's see if we can get to that. Yep. And here's the directions on how to get to the toner cartridge. Okay, this whole face comes down. There we go. That's where your cartridge goes. Ergonomically, it's a good looking machine. Auto feeder up here. Bright buttons, fax, scan, copy. Phone pad right there, frequently used number spot right there. Tells you if you're connected to Wi-Fi, fax if you're hooked up, or if you need to read out or pause. And then the copy has different options, 2-in-1 copy for two-sided there. Menu button to take you through various options. They're a pretty capable unit. It takes two different cartridges. You can get the TN630, which is the standard, or the TN660, which is the high yield toner. Do yourself a favor, get the 660. That's about it right now. That's what comes in the box. It's a real capable unit for $150. I'll do another video showing how to hook it up in a bit, but that's what comes with the Brother MFC L2700 DW. Thanks for watching.